I'm going to take you to my computer in a while, where I'm going to show you how to create your profile. That's the first tip. You need to have a profile first. So let's do that. Come with me. Let me show you my computer, but don't forget to have your computer with you so that you follow the steps as you go along this journey of learning on how to create online lectures. Let's see. You go to udemy.com, and this is the front page that you will see. Depending on which location you are in, probably you will see different photos, different promotions, but this is the first landing page, home page of Udemy, where on the top you see Udemy Business, and then you see Teach on Udemy. So you click on Teach on Udemy. When you click on Teach on Udemy, it asks you, come teach with us and become an instructor, change lives, and you start. Click on Get Started. Key in your name, whatever name you want to choose. In my case, I selected the marketing school, so I will choose the marketing school again. Then the email, I think it will tell me that you already have registered through this email, but I will still give the password. I would prefer to choose my own password, and let's see if it works. Okay. It will ask me that you already have a profile. Log in. Oh, see, as you can see. So let me log in, and when you log in, you'll be able to see. So I'm just logging in. This is the process. You will directly log into the page. Let me show you the page now. Okay, I've logged in, as you can see, the marketing school online, and I'm an instructor. And when you're an instructor, this is the page that you will see. As you can see, it is empty. I just created for you people for this lecture. So we will, in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to create your course, and that would be the first step towards developing your course, the template of your course, the sketch of your course, the map of your course, and then you will have videos to upload. So let's get into this stage in the next video. Stay tuned.